ask the children of the farmers that we work with if they want to go into farming or what they want to be when they grow up. Very, very seldom you see children's hands raised that they say that I want to be a farmer. And so we say, no farmer, no food, no future. Okay. So we have to attract the youth to agriculture. So what do? We try to make efforts to tell, to share to the youth that agriculture is a rising profession, that it has meaning, and there are already ways and systems on how to earn. Getting regional projects which are implemented at the national level. We were able to provide some training on sustainable agriculture, climate resilience, and cooperatives and the role of the youth. We provided some funds for these young farmers committees to start up an enterprise or a business.
Iba talaga kapag ang isang kabataang magsasaka ay na-empower. Marami siyang magagawa. Binigyan niya ako ng pagkakataon na ma-represent ang aking organization, hindi lang dito sa local, national, maging sa international. Dahil doon, masabi ko na na-empower talaga ako bilang isang kabataang magsasaka. Yung mga learnings ko naman sa mga representation na napuntahan ko, mga webinars, trainings, yung mga good practices na nakita ko sa mga other organizations, nadala ko yun sa kooperatiba. Nakita ko na yung mga bagong ngayon, leader ng aming kooperatiba ay halos young farmers, youth na. Sa tulong ng mga young farmers, nag-i-exist pa yung co-op. Hindi ko makakalimutan nung pandemic, year 2020. Kahit kasi pandemic yun, nag-operate yung aming kooperatiba. Tulong-tulong kami sa pag-harvest, sa pagbenta, kahit lockdown nun, siguro yun, naging impact yun. So sa tingin ko, dahil sa empowerment ng APA, at nakita rin ng APA yung potential namin, na-link kami sa mga funding agencies na kung saan na-establish namin yung Community Food Center. Doon ko napatunayan na ang isang farmer pala can go far beyond your imagination or expectation. As AFA Young Farmers Committee Chairperson, dito ko rin nakita na kailangan talagang huwag matakot yung isang leader sa anuman na hamon. Kailangan mo talagang patunayan na bilang isang kabataang magsasaka, kailangan natin maging malakas sa lahat ng pagkakataon.
So the challenge is really how to organize them and build on their numbers so that they could be the voice of the young farmers and then demand or claim their rights as farmers or as youth. We say that the young farmers are not only the hope of tomorrow, but they are the present. So we want to really attract them to agriculture, to want them to make a decision to do farming or to engage in agriculture-related businesses and enterprises.
Parang mga endangered species na ang mga magsasaka. Kung hindi natin poproteksyonan yung mga magsasaka, hindi natin palalaguin yung mga magsasaka, sino na ang susunod na magpapakain sa atin? May pag-asa sa agrikultura kung bibigyan natin ng pagkakataon yung mga kabataan na ipakita yung galing nila. Tulungan natin sila na maging mahusay sa larangan ng agrikultura. Huwag kayong matakot na subukan ang agrikultura. Maraming maibibigay sa inyo ang agrikultura na hindi nyo aakalain. Mabuhay ang kabataang magsasaka, madagos sa nakita.